What if machines could think? What if they could learn and evolve, just like us? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. This journey begins in the mid-20th century, a time of innovation and discovery. The 1950s to 1970s saw the birth of an idea at the Dartmouth Conference where the term artificial intelligence was first coined. This was the inception, the conception of a notion that machines could mimic human intelligence. So the seed of AI was planted, ready to grow into a tree that would change the world forever. But every tree must face the winter, and so did AI. Moving into the 1970s and 1980s, the blossoming field of artificial intelligence experienced its first major setback, a period now referred to as the AI winter. This was a time when the hype and hope of AI's early years gave way to a harsh reality. The grand promises made by AI pioneers remained largely unfulfilled, and interest and funding in AI research decreased significantly. What were the reasons behind this chilling period? Primarily, the technology of the time couldn't meet the ambitious goals set by AI researchers. Computers were too primitive, and the algorithms of the day were too simple to solve complex real-world problems. Moreover, the public and funding bodies grew disillusioned. They had been promised revolutionary changes, but all they saw were computers playing chess and solving mathematical puzzles. The gap between expectation and reality was simply too vast. This winter was not without its benefits, though. It forced the AI community to reflect, to learn, and most importantly, to refine their goals. The dreams of creating a fully intelligent machine were put on hold, and instead, researchers focused on developing specific practical applications for AI. The AI winter was harsh, but it was not the end. It was a period of learning and reflection. And from this reflection, new branches of AI, such as machine learning and neural networks, began to sprout, signaling the coming of a new spring for artificial intelligence. After the winter comes the spring. The 1990s brought a new era of optimism and progress in AI. As the calendar pages flipped, the AI community found itself invigorated by a new sense of hope and a fresh perspective. This was a period of rejuvenation, a springtime in the world of artificial intelligence. The focus shifted from the rule-based systems of the previous era to a new paradigm: machine learning. Machine learning, at its core, is a process that allows computers to learn and make decisions without being explicitly programmed. It was a strikingly different approach that breathed new life into AI research. This was no longer about crafting specific rules for each task, but about creating algorithms that could learn from data and make predictions or decisions based on that knowledge. And at the heart of this revolution were neural networks, a concept inspired by the human brain. The idea was to replicate how our brain's neurons fire and communicate, enabling machines to learn from experience. Neural networks consist of layers upon layers of interconnected nodes, each node processing a small part of the information and passing it on to the next layer. It was a radical departure from the linear models of the past and a leap towards more complex, nonlinear processes. One of the key breakthroughs of this period was the development of the backpropagation algorithm. This algorithm was a game changer, allowing neural networks to adjust their internal parameters and improve their predictions over time. It was like giving the neural network a feedback loop, allowing it to learn from its mistakes and refine its understanding. So, who were the key figures during this AI spring? There were many, but among them, names like Geoffrey Hinton, Yann LeCun, and Yoshua Bengio stand out. These pioneers helped shape the landscape of machine learning as we know it today, laying the groundwork for the explosion of AI applications we see now. The spring of AI brought new life to the field, setting the stage for the rapid advancements we see today. From voice recognition to self-driving cars, the seeds planted during this period have grown into the towering trees of innovation that make up our current AI landscape. And now, we find ourselves in the midst of an AI revolution. AI is no longer a far-fetched fantasy. It's here, and we're already reaping the benefits. Just think about the last time you asked Siri a question, or when you used Google Maps to find the quickest route home. These are applications of AI that have seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. But let's dive a little deeper. One of the most impressive advancements in AI is in the field of natural language processing, or NLP. This technology helps machines understand and respond to human language. It's what makes virtual assistants like Alexa or Siri possible. It's what enables your email to filter out spam, or your text messages to suggest the next word you might type. And then there are autonomous vehicles. These self-driving machines are no longer just a concept, but a reality. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are pioneering this technology, using AI to analyze real-time data from various sensors and make decisions on the road. Imagine a future where traffic accidents are significantly reduced because every vehicle on the road is controlled by an intelligent system that never gets tired, distracted, or drunk. The applications of AI in healthcare are also worth mentioning. From predicting disease outbreaks to assisting in complex surgeries, AI is revolutionizing the way we approach health and wellness. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately, and even developing personalized treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. But as we marvel at these advancements, we must also consider the potential challenges and ethical implications. Issues like data privacy, job displacement, and the potential for AI to be used maliciously are all valid concerns that need to be addressed as we continue to innovate. So, what does the future hold for AI? The truth is, no one really knows. But one thing is certain, AI is here to stay. Its potential to transform every aspect of our lives is immense. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we must ask ourselves, what will the future of AI look like? Artificial intelligence, a journey that started with a simple question, has now become an integral part of our lives. We've seen how AI, birthed from the spark of curiosity, endured a winter of doubt and skepticism, only to resurge with the advent of machine learning and neural networks. This resurgence, much like a spring bloom, brought forth a burst of innovation and development, establishing AI as a force to reckon with in the present era. Today, AI is not just about robots and machines, it's about data, algorithms, and most importantly, problem solving. It's about creating systems that learn, adapt, and evolve. It's about augmenting human intelligence and capability, transforming sectors like healthcare, education, and transportation. As we stand on the cusp of a future teeming with possibilities, one thing is clear. The journey of AI is far from over, and its future holds exciting possibilities. Remember, every tomorrow is but the dream of an AI today.